Good day. My name is Bernali M. Agravante, 25 years old, married with one son. I live in Malapatan, Sarangani Province, Philippines. I am a Christian. My father's age is 60 years old. My mother's age is 58 years old. I have two sisters and one brother. I am the third child of the family. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning the house, taking care of the babies, and singing for fun. I have worked in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve four members of the family, two adults and two children. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning the house, gardening, pet care, car washing, and taking care of the children. To all my prospective employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I will promise to do all my duties and responsibilities with all my heart. I am kind, diligent, and patient person. Thank you.